Hey everybody, it's Zach from Thea Enterprises. We're going to do something a little bit different today. I'm going to do a 2-minute tech talk on the Alisse keypad, specifically on the base unit of the Alisse keypad. The Alisse has lots of awesome features. One cool tech feature is that the base unit is designed to allow system installation without exposing the keypad portion, this guy right here, to potential damage during construction. The other nice thing is you can install this, make this single programming button here. You can set that up for wiring validation, basic system control, certificate of occupancy, while the homeowner and their designer are making some key decisions on finishes and engraving details. Then once those decisions have been made, this piece can be ordered and popped onto the base unit. The reason I'm making this video is a lot of people ask, how do I program that button? Is it one of the buttons on the front? Do I go under button type? Do I go to view properties? You actually click here, which is a little counterintuitive because the contact closures are on the back of the base unit. We want to program the button on the front of the base unit, and that's button 10 here. By default, if you don't touch this, that button is going to turn all the lights on the link on and off. So any DIN rail modules you have connected to the same QS link as that keypad will turn on and off to 100%. Probably a little bit better if we just have the lights in the room turn on and off to 100%. So I'm going to leave it as a toggle button, 100%, 0%, and that's it. You can rename this if you want. I'm just going to leave it button 10. Like I said, wanted to keep this video short and sweet. Hope this helped and hope to talk to you soon.